What is up, everyone? Today I am here for the opening day of the Stella Nova Resort here at Universal's Epic Universe. This is my first time ever coming to an opening day of a hotel, and I seriously cannot wait to go inside and check it out. But before I head into the resort, let me show you all my drive into Epic Universe property today. Got to see a bunch of the park from the outside. Let's check it out. All right, so we've made it to Epic Universe property. As you can see ahead, there is Epic Universe. If you can see over there, just through the trees, there is Stardust Racers, the coaster that is going to be inside of Celestial Park. And just ahead is the Helios Grand Hotel. And one day this year, once Epic Universe opens, I want to stay there. That is the hotel that is inside of Epic Universe. There's a little bit of a better view of the Helios Grand Hotel, and there is the Kronos right there. That is the main entrance to Epic Universe. Just a little over 4 months away. 4 months and a day, actually, to be exact, from the grand opening of Epic Universe. I cannot wait. As you can see right here, just in front of me, this is Super Nintendo Land. As you can see there's the entrance to Bowser's Castle. First time I've gotten up this close to Epic Universe, and let me say, I can only see just a little bit from the outside, but it looks amazing. And then just right up there, you can see Donkey Kong Country, which is also going to be part of Super Nintendo World. This is insane. And right now we are in line to turn left over into the brand new Stella Nova Resort. Not sure how well it is showing up on camera, but there it is. The front entrance for Epic Universe, Super Nintendo World. I'm assuming this is going to be the building for the Mario Kart ride. The thing is massive. Just parked, and from the parking lot, you get a crazy view of the backside of Super Nintendo World. You can see right there is Donkey Kong Country, and then behind that is the Helios Grand Hotel. Obviously, there's a fence right here, so you can see more if I walk back. This is the view you get over here from the Stella Nova Resort. Now it is time to go over and check in. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I put a request for a high view theme park room. Fingers crossed, I actually get one. Let's go and check in. All right, so that was such a cool way to come into Stella Nova this morning, seeing Epic Universe from the outside. I can't wait. I know I said it already a bunch of times in the video, but I cannot wait for Epic Universe to open. I was like a kid in a candy shop driving in, but it sounds like there is a welcome party inside the front lobby today for the opening of the Stella Nova Resort. So let's go inside and check it out. We got a whole entrance party here.
Party? Oh, they got drinks?
Yeah.
It's interesting.
This is awesome. Hi, thank you. Here we go, everyone. This is awesome. The opening of Stella Nova Resort is the first part of the Epic Universe expansion here at Universal Orlando. This is a prime value resort that has over 750 rooms inside of it. Stella Nova Resort is just a few miles down the road from Universal Orlando's main property, but it is located just across the street from the brand new Epic Universe theme park opening on May 22nd. And if you're wondering about the design of this hotel, the exterior features 144,000 hand-placed acid wash tiles. The close proximity to Epic Universe, great amenities, and tons of food options at the Stella Nova Resort, this is definitely a place you must check out on your next Universal Orlando vacation. All right, just got into the room here at Stella Nova Resort. I requested a high floor and view of Epic Universe. I will give you the room number so you all can request this here next time you're staying here. I'll show you the room in a second, but the first thing, let's check out this view. If I can get these curtains open, this would be a lot easier. I'll put you guys here. All right, let's open these curtains up. I guess you guys can get a little bit of the room. You guys can't see me right now because I'm looking out this giant window. But oh my gosh. I won't let you guys wait any longer. Here is the view. There it is. Epic Universe. See, there's Helios Grand, Super Nintendo World. Stardust Racers, Isle of Burke, and I don't know if you all can see because I can kind of leave my head and you get kind of this reflection right here. But Dark Universe is just over there to the left. And then if you look really, really, really far out, probably right in this area where my middle finger is actually, that is going to be the Ministry of Magic. But wow, guys, this is an insane view. And obviously, you have the view of the parking lot, and then over here, the other side of Stella Nova Resort. This is incredible. Now, if you really want a full-on theme park view, that's probably going to be your best area to get a room in. This is room 8020. So if you guys want to request this room 8020, you're going to have this view here. Incredible. I can't believe it. Imagine waking up to a view of Epic Universe. And that's what I'm going to get tomorrow. Now, it's a little bit gloomy today, but this is incredible. So there's a little mirror right here so you can check yourself out before you go and leave the room and head to the parks. Over here is going to be your closet, safe, iron, luggage rack, ironing board. It's actually double-sided, so pretty decently sized closet right here. Extra bedding on the top. And then if we turn around, here is the bathroom. Right here, sink and mirror. Then you have your bathroom with a toilet and the tub with the shower inside of it. Oh wait, I thought this was just like a dark wall. I guess you could open these curtains as well, just to kind of have a cool, I don't know, little opening view of the room. That's pretty cool, pretty neat. Now over to the actual room. I love the space artwork on the top. You have 2 queen beds in this room. Let's see how these mattresses feel. Oh, super, super comfy mattresses. Like I said, I love the artwork, the little trim of light right here. And if you turn around here, you have like a little desk, you could say desk storage area, cabinet, whatever you want to call it. Right here you have a little coffee maker. If I can open this thing right here, this is going to be your little mini fridge. Right there, you can put food and drinks in there. TV mounted on the wall right there. Just below the TV right here is a little couch with a pillow and a table. You have your second bed. In between the beds, you have your little side table with the lamp, alarm clock, remote. And then you have this actually massive window in the room. Like, I didn't think, they look big on the outside, but I didn't think they were going to be actually this big, or feel this big, I guess I should say, from the inside. But this is a massive window. You can see so much from up here. Again, room 8020 if you want to request this. Like I showed you all earlier, the view of Epic Universe. Amazing. Obviously, it is opening day here for the Stella Nova Resort. Got to see a bunch of friends downstairs while checking in, which was really cool to see. But the whole welcoming party, was not expecting that at all. Walked in, everyone is there cheering, there's music. It was insane. It's something I've never experienced before. And this is my first time ever coming to a grand opening of a hotel. We got a little drink. Everyone was awesome in the lobby. All the team members were great. Check-in, obviously there's a lot of people checking in. It's the first day, but it was a super smooth process. And the team member at the front desk was like, I see you requested high floor. You want that view of Epic Universe? And I said, if you could, that would be amazing. Obviously, why not? If you're staying here, why not get a view of Epic Universe? Only thing would be better, I'm not complaining. Only thing would be better if I was just on the other side so I could see more of Dark Universe, which I'm super, super excited for. This hotel is awesome. Super great value. I paid here for opening night $117 plus tax for this room. So it is a great value for this type of resort to be this close to a brand new theme park that is opening in May. And then come opening day, when I am over at Epic Universe, I'll be staying at the Terra Luna Resort. But now it's time to put down some of my stuff and actually go show you guys everything that this resort has to offer. Because as soon as, I didn't think the room was going to be ready immediately. I thought it was going to be a little bit just because everything was going on the commotion. But room was ready immediately. Came right upstairs because I wanted to check out the view. But now let's go back down to the lobby. Check out there's a gift shop in there. There's some new Epic Universe merchandise that I saw, just quickly glancing in there when I was walking in. Show you guys the quick service restaurant, the bar, the pool. It is a little gloomy today, so probably won't be getting into the pool. I think there's a hot tub. And like I said, a bunch of friends are here. So it's going to be a really fun day hanging out with a bunch of people. And let's let's head back down to the lobby. So I've made it down here to the main lobby for the Universal Studios store. So let's go check out everything inside that they have to offer. Tons and tons of brand new Epic Universe merchandise for the brand new theme park that is opening in May. You have merchandise from Super Nintendo Land, Harry Potter Ministry of Magic, How to Train Your Dragon, The Isle of Berk, and the one I'm most excited for, Dark Universe. Now, they did have this shirt, as you can see here, for Dark Universe, and I was really excited. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, this is an immediate purchase, because it's such a cool shirt. It turns out it is just made for kids, and hopefully one day they make this shirt into an adult size. But this gift shop is great. It has everything you need to get ready for Epic Universe. All right, so obviously it's not a great day here in Orlando, but made it out to the pool to show you guys what it looks like. There are actually a ton of lounge chairs out here. I don't know if you can see, it goes all the way back. Tons and tons and tons of lounge chairs. Over here, it looks like there's a little splash pad for kids. And then I know somewhere there is a hot tub. Oh, just on the other side of the pool, there is a hot tub. Might have to check that out tonight because it is a little chilly here. Look at how pretty the resort is with all the tiles. I know there's lights on the resort, so I can't wait to come out here at night and check it out. Maybe from the front, because I know the pool closes tonight at 6 p.m. just due to weather. But we'll have to check out the front of the resort later tonight. But here is the pool. Looks like they have some Jenga set up right here. A little beach with some Connect 4 hula hoops, ping pong table. Looks like it'd be a really cool place to come over and hang out at night with all the lights. And then over just across the way is the Terra Luna Resort. That is where I will be staying on the opening night of Epic Universe. So I'll be staying there. Try to do the Grand Helios Grand Hotel. It was a little bit too out of my price range. It was like $700 for the night. And here is a look at the pool. Obviously, it's a little chilly out here in Orlando today. I think it's like 52 degrees, so no one is in the pool right now. But the hot tub over here, you see all the steam coming off of it. Might have to take a dip in the hot tub a little bit later. And then there you have the Galaxy bar, the pool bar over here. All right, and then right next to the pool, we have the fitness center. Let's go inside and check out what it looks like inside of there. All right, here we are. All right, so inside the fitness center now, as you can see, a ton of different machines in here for your workouts and some really cool lights above. And obviously you have a view of the pool, all glass windows. I really like the all glass windows. That way, you can look out into the pool area, Terra Luna Resort. And it's really cool because you can't really see inside from the outside, but obviously the outside you can see from the inside. And then right next to the gym is the arcade. A ton of different games in here. Obviously you kind of have to have Mario Kart in here when you are at Epic Universe. SpongeBob SquarePants, air hockey, basketball. It's a nice little decently sized arcade that is located right next to the pool and the gym. Just out here to the left of the lobby, this is where the resort shuttles are going to pick you up to go to Universal Volcano Bay, Universal Orlando, Islands of Adventure, City Walk, and then eventually Epic Universe when it opens in May. So I just got back in the room, checked out everything that Stella Nova has to offer, the food, the pool, the arcade, the gym, the gift shop. Only thing I'm disappointed in that gift shop, like I told you all, is that Dark Universe Universal Monster shirt. I thought I saw people take pictures of it during media day, and I was like super excited to come and buy it because it was gonna be like one of my first purchases here at Stella Nova. And turns out it's just a kid's shirt. So Universal, if you're watching, can you somehow make that into a shirt for adults? Thank you. I would appreciate that. Other than that, merchandise looks great. I even bought, coming over here, a little resort refillable mug that I get for, to refill for 24 hours, Stella Nova. Just a little souvenir for my stay here. Obviously, I had to get something, right? But let me know what your guys' favorite thing about Stella Nova is already. Is it the views? Is it the pool? Is it just the facade of the hotel? I learned that all the tiles, there's 140,000 different tiles. So we're gonna have to go back and check this place out at night because there are some lights, I believe, on the outside of the building, so it might look really, really cool. We'll have to go back and check that out at night. I was really hoping with the theme park view we would get some testing of the rides today, because I have a perfect view of, you know, Stardust Racers. I have a perfect view of How to Train Your Dragon, the Isle of Berk, some of the rides in How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk. But it is raining right now, so maybe we won't get any testing. But maybe a little bit later when it stops, we might get some night testing, which would be really, really cool. And I really wish I had a little bit better review, like I said, of Dark Universe. But at the end of the hallway, there was a window, so I went down there. Here is some footage of Dark Universe. It looks amazing. You can see the Curse of the Werewolf coaster, the backside of the facade, and the show building for the Universal Monsters Unchained. I seriously cannot wait for that land. That's probably my most highly anticipated land coming to Epic Universe. And hoping, really, really hoping tonight we can see, you know, some of the lights at Epic Universe. Maybe we'll get to see, oh, I think I might have a really good view of at least the windmill that's on fire inside of Dark Universe. So maybe we'll get some cool night shots after this. But right now, just gonna chill, relax, start posting some of these videos. And like I said, let me know your favorite part. Is it the view? I think right now my favorite part of Stella Nova Resort is not only all the cool, you know, tiles, as you can see all out here, but obviously it's the view of Epic Universe. Cannot beat this unless, you know, you're staying at the Helios Grand Hotel, which then you're inside the park, you have a way better view. But yeah, let me know what you all think in the comments. You know what I forgot to check out when I was downstairs? There's this really cool thing that they have on the 3rd floor. The ceiling is like all these like stars and constellations and lights, and it's only on the 3rd floor. So I'm gonna head back downstairs. Let's go check that out. So here is that galaxy hallway I was talking about here on the 3rd floor. It's just this little strip of hallway only here on the 3rd floor. I kind of wish this is what the hallways looked like on every single floor here at Stella Nova, but this is just a cool little thing that they have here, so definitely come and check this out when you're here at the resort. Came back down to Cosmos Cafe here in the main lobby because I was hungry. Decided to get this very cheesy mac and cheese, which is elbow pasta, 3 cheese blend, and toasted panko on top. I'm a huge mac and cheese guy, and this mac and cheese here was amazing. I would probably give it an 8.5 out of 10 on the scale. Super big portion for just a side item here in the cafe. Highly recommend you get this, especially if you love mac and cheese as much as I do. I will definitely be getting this again one day when I come back here and stay. All right, so we are here at the Galaxy Bar, which is the pool bar here at the Stella Nova Resort. You get these cool souvenir glasses if you get any of their signature cocktails on the menu. I ended up going with the Phoenix, which is Don Julio tequila shaken with fresh lemon and a spicy margarita mix, and they also add a jalapeno on it. Really good. You can definitely taste the heat in it from the jalapeno. If you like tequila, would definitely recommend getting the Phoenix. Unfortunately, it's not a great pool day out, as you can probably see behind me. It is pouring down rain. And the pool bar closes tonight at 6 p.m., so just in about 40 minutes. Was hoping it would stay open later tonight just because we can go enjoy the hot tub. But not gonna look like it, as you know, it closes in 40 minutes. But great pool bar, great drinks. Like I said, highly recommend if you like tequila, the Phoenix. And it's such a cool souvenir cup. And that is gonna be it for my stay at the Stella Nova Resort on opening day here at Universal Orlando. I really enjoyed this resort, especially for the value that you get for it. Again, I only paid, I believe it was like $117 and then plus tax for the night here. There are a ton of great amenities. Obviously, couldn't enjoy the pool or the hot tub because of the weather. Tons of great food options, great bars inside. Obviously, you have a great gift shop with all of that awesome Epic Universe merchandise. I highly recommend you all check this place out if you have a trip planned for the future for Epic Universe. Once again, let me know in the comments what you all thought of the brand new Stella Nova Resort here at Universal Orlando. And if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you are new here, and make sure to ring that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.